Hi, I'm Matthew Dar, and I'm going to start off with talking about how loyalty is important to me and how I use it in my everyday life. This is a quote from the great Michael Jordan. Be true to the game because the game will be true to you. If you shortcut the game, then the game will shortcut you. If you put forth the effort, good things will bestow you. That's truly about the game, and in some way, that's about life too. I wanted to start this PowerPoint with this quote because it emphasized how what you put into loyalty is really what you're going to get out of it. And that's really important to me. So, the first thing I'm going to be talking to you about is family. One of the first things I think over when it comes to loyalty is family in everyday life. I know without my family, I would not have it a lot or even be close to reaching my dream. I know my family has my back through it all, and even when I'm wrong, they're there to correct me and lead me into the right direction. I am so blessed to have family like I do that show me every day what true family is and loyalty. On to the next slide. Trust. Another huge point that comes to mind when I think of loyalty is trust. Trust allows me to open up immediately and have a good conversation with that person I could feel that trust with. Also, if I don't trust you, how can I know you're going to be loyal to me? Trust is created by loyalty and will ensure what I tell another person won't get spread. Therefore, I can have a personal conversation with that person and not have to worry about them going around spreading that. Also, if I trust you and respect you, I expect the same back. It really helps me understand our relationship or just the bond that I have with that person. Now going on to the last thing, which is bonds and relationships. I create bonds and relationships off of loyalty. People I feel are loyal to me and vice versa tend to have strong relationships with me. Every conversation is a lot smoother, and when I have the ability to trust someone and what they say, this allows the relationship to only get stronger. For example, like me and my baseball coach, from day one, he showed me that he wanted the best for me, that he was going to give me his all. So it built that strong bond and really like just loyalty based bond right off the rip. And now I probably would run through a wall for the man just because I know he has my back just like that. So, in conclusion, loyalty has helped me a lot through life. It has helped me get through relationships, bonds I have with people, and whether that be professional or just a friendship, loyalty is my number one thing, my number one desire, and I'll live by it forever. Thank you so much for listening.